Configuring network segments and gateways in NSX-T. VMware NSX-T provides software-defined networking (SDN) that enables organizations to build scalable, secure, and automated networks for virtual machines, containers, and bare metal workloads. One of the key components of NSX-T networking is the ability to configure network segments and gateways to efficiently manage traffic flow across cloud and on-premises environments. In this lesson, we will explore what network segments and gateways are, how to configure network segments in NSX-T, how to deploy Tier 0 and Tier 1 gateways, best practices for network segmentation and routing, what are network segments and gateways. A network segment in NSX-T replaces traditional VLAN-based networking by creating logical Layer 2 networks that enable VMs to communicate with each other without requiring physical switches. These segments provide overlay or VLAN-backed connectivity for workloads. NSX-T also introduces a two-tiered routing model using Tier 0 T0 and Tier 1 T1 gateways. Tier 0 gateway connects NSX-T to external networks such as the Internet or on-prem data centers. Tier 1 gateway handles internal routing between different network segments and passes traffic to Tier 0 for external connectivity. This architecture provides scalability, fault tolerance, and optimized network performance. Step 1. Creating network segments in NSX-T. To create a network segment in NSX-T, 1. Log in to the NSX Manager UI and navigate to Networking Segments. 2. Click Add Segment and enter a segment name. 3. Select the transport zone, overlay, or VLAN based on your network requirements. 4. Choose the Tier 1 gateway if the segment requires routing. 5. Configure IP addressing and subnet information, e.g. 192.168.10.0/24. 6. Enable DHCP services if automatic IP assignment is needed. 7. Attach virtual machines or Kubernetes workloads to the segment. 8. Click Save and Apply. By using logical network segments, organizations can simplify network provisioning while ensuring flexibility and scalability. Step 2. Deploying Tier 1 gateways for internal routing. The Tier 1 gateway, T1, is responsible for routing traffic between different internal network segments. To configure a Tier 1 gateway, navigate to Networking Tier 1 Gateways in NSX Manager. 2. Click Add Gateway and enter a name, e.g. T1 Gateway App. 3. Select the linked Tier 0 gateway if required for external routing. 4. Configure internal interfaces and attach them to network segments. 5. Enable route advertisement to propagate routes to the Tier 0 gateway. Click Save and verify connectivity using ping or trace commands. With Tier 1 gateways, traffic between application tiers, e.g. web, app, and database layers, is efficiently routed without needing external network dependencies. Step 3. Deploying a Tier 0 gateway for external connectivity. The Tier 0 gateway, T0, connects NSX-T networks to external networks, including on-premises data centers, the Internet, or cloud providers. To configure a Tier 0 gateway, 1. Navigate to Networking Tier 0 Gateways and click Add Gateway. 2. Enter a name, e.g. T-Gateway. 3. Assign edge cluster nodes for high availability and load balancing. 4. Configure BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, or static routes to connect with external networks. 5. Attach external interfaces to VLAN-backed segments for Internet access. 6. Click Save and Apply. Once configured, Tier 0 gateways provide high-performance routing and connectivity between NSX-T and external environments. Step 4. Best practices for network segments and gateways. To optimize NSX-T network performance and security, follow these best practices. Use overlay networks for scalability. Avoid VLAN limitations by using Geneva-based overlay networks. Enable route advertisement. Ensure seamless Tier 1 to Tier 0 routing for external communication. Implement microsegmentation. Use NSX Distributed Firewall, DFW, to secure network segments. Optimize traffic with load balancing. Deploy NSX edge nodes to distribute workloads efficiently. Monitor network traffic. Use NSX intelligence and flow monitoring to detect anomalies and optimize routing. By implementing these strategies, organizations can ensure secure, scalable, and high-performance networking in VMware Cloud environments. Final thoughts. Configuring network segments and gateways in NSX-T allows businesses to build flexible, automated, and secure network architectures. By mastering logical switching, Tier 1 and Tier 0 gateways, and advanced routing, organizations can create highly efficient cloud networking environments. In the next lesson, we'll explore firewall policies and security configurations in NSX-T. Let's continue.